You just nailed the perfect take. Your delivery was on point, the energy was electric, but your messy room in the background is killing the whole vibe. You need to go from this to this, a clean, professional look that actually makes you stand out. For years, the only answer was a complicated, expensive green screen. Let's be real. When it comes to online video, looks matter. A distracting background, whether it's a cluttered office, your unmade bed, or just a boring wall, can instantly make your content feel amateur. It pulls the focus away from you and your message. The fix is to remove that background and swap it with something that adds to your video instead of taking away from it. This could be a clean color, a slick virtual office, or even some cool motion graphics that pop. Now, you're probably thinking that sounds complicated or expensive. You've heard of software like Adobe After Effects that has a crazy learning curve, or you've seen creators with their own green screen studios. Well, the game has totally changed. Thanks to some amazing AI developments, the tools we have now are not only incredibly powerful, but also surprisingly easy to use. First, an almost instant one-click online tool that's perfect when you need a great result in under a minute. Then we'll get into a full-featured desktop app that gives you professional-level control to make your cutout absolutely perfect. By the end of this, you'll have everything you need to remove the background from any video for any project. First up is the lightning-fast solution, Adobe Express. This is a brilliant browser-based tool that's perfect for social media content, quick video messages, or anytime you just need to get it done fast. You don't have to download anything, and for a one-click tool, the results are seriously impressive. Here's how easy it is. Open your web browser and head over to the Adobe Express website. You'll see a big button to upload your video. Just click it, grab your video file, and let it upload. You'll see a bunch of quick actions, and the one we want is Remove Video Background. Right away, Adobe's AI gets to work, analyzing your video to find you and separate you from the background. There are no settings to mess with, no confusing timelines. You just upload, wait a moment, and let the magic happen. When it's done, you'll see your video with a transparent checkerboard background. That means the old background is officially gone. From here, you can download the video as an MP4 file with that transparency, which is great if you plan to use it in another editing program. Or you can keep editing right there in Adobe Express. Let's say you want to add a clean background. Just look for the option to customize. You can add a solid color with one click and even use a color picker to match your brand's specific hex code. If you want something a little more dynamic, you can browse Adobe's built-in library of stock photos and videos. You could put yourself in a modern office, in front of an abstract graphic, or pretty much anywhere you can think of. Once you're happy with it, just hit download, and you have a finished, professional-looking video. The biggest win for Adobe Express is its sheer speed and simplicity. The trade-off? You don't get much manual control. If the AI makes a little mistake around the edges, you can't really fix it. But for most well-lit videos, the results are more than good enough. Now, if you're someone who wants total control and the cleanest possible result, we need to talk about our second tool, CapCut. You might know it as a mobile app, but its desktop version for Windows and Mac is a beast. It's packed with features you'd normally have to pay for, and best of all, its incredible background removal tool is completely free and exports without a watermark. This is what I recommend for your main YouTube videos, online courses, or any project where quality is the top priority. First things first, you'll need to download and install the CapCut desktop app from their website. Once that's done, open it and click Create Project. This drops you into the main editor. It might look like a lot at first if you're new to video editing, but I promise this part is easy. Find the Import button, click it, and grab the video file you want to work on. Your video will pop up in the Media panel. To get started, just click and drag that video down into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is where all the action happens. Make sure your video clip is selected in the timeline. It'll have a white box around it. Now look over to the top right panel. You'll see a few tabs like Video, Audio, and Speed. Stay on the Video tab and find a submenu called Cutout. Inside that menu is the option we're looking for, Auto Cutout. There's a simple checkbox right next to it. That's the magic button. The second you click it, CapCut's AI starts doing its thing, intelligently finding the person in the shot and erasing the background. You'll see a percentage counter as it works, but it's usually done in just a few seconds. Once it hits 100%, poof, the background is gone. The results are honestly astonishing for a free tool. It does a fantastic job with tricky details like hair, even against a busy or cluttered background. This next part is the secret sauce. It's what separates a good cutout from a professional one, and it's where CapCut really flexes its muscles. While the auto cutout is amazing, AI isn't perfect. It might accidentally erase the sleeve of your shirt or leave a little bit of the background clinging to your hair. This is where we clean it up. Right inside that same cutout menu, you'll find a Customize button. This opens up CapCut's manual tools, a brush and an eraser. The idea is simple. You paint back any parts of yourself the AI accidentally removed, and you erase any little leftover bits of the background. Here's my advice. Zoom into the preview window and really inspect your edges. Look at the gap between your arm and your body, or around the edges of your chair. Use the eraser with a small brush size to carefully get rid of any color that's bleeding from the old background. If the AI was a little too aggressive and clipped your shoulder, just switch to the brush and paint it back in. Seriously, spending just 2 or 3 minutes on this step will make your video look 10 times better. It's the secret to making the effect look seamless and believable. Okay, you've got a perfect cutout of yourself. Now, where do we put it? It all comes down to layers. Think of it like a stack of paper. Your cutout video needs to be on the top layer, and the new background will sit on a layer right underneath it. In CapCut, this is super easy. Just drag your main video clip on the timeline up to the second video track. That leaves the first track wide open for your new background. Now go to Import again and bring in your background image or video. Drag that new file down to the very first track on the timeline right under your main clip. You should immediately see the background appear behind you. Just make sure you stretch the background clip on the timeline so it lasts as long as your main video. You can use a clean image of a wall for a minimal look, or a high-quality photo of an office to look more professional. Here's a pro tip. Use a background image that has a slight blur. It mimics the depth of field from a real camera lens and makes the whole thing look way more convincing. You can even add that blur effect right inside CapCut, or use a video background with some subtle motion to make your shot feel more dynamic and alive. All right, you want to get really fancy with it? Here are a few pro tips that will take your final result to the next level. First, think about lighting before you hit record. The AI works best when there's a clear difference between you and what's behind you. Good even lighting will always give you a cleaner cutout than a dark, grainy video. You don't need expensive gear. Just sitting near a window or using a simple lamp can make a huge impact. Second, add a subtle feather to your edges. Feathering just means softening the hard edge of your cutout ever so slightly. This helps you blend into the new background more naturally and gets rid of that sharp cut and pasted look. In CapCut, after you apply the cutout, you can find feathering options to soften the edge. Finally, let's talk color matching. This is next level stuff, but it makes a massive difference. If your new background is a warm, sunny office, but you were filmed under cool white lights, it's going to look off. To fix this, you can use CapCut's color adjustment tools. Select your clip and gently tweak the color temperature and saturation so you look like you belong in that new environment. This tiny step is what makes the entire scene feel cohesive and real. So, there you have it. Removing a video background has gone from a nightmare task to something you can do for free in just a few minutes. We saw how you can get an instant result with Adobe Express for your quick social media posts, and we walked through the more powerful, detailed process in CapCut to get a truly flawless look for your most important projects. The workflow is always the same. Get your footage in, use the AI cutout, spend a moment refining the edges, and drop in your new background. If this guide was helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And for more tutorials to make your videos look amazing, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these tools are you going to try first? Got any other questions about this process? Drop a comment below. I read and reply to every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.